Hi everyone. Today I'm participating in a collab hosted by Rich from Just Cook the Damn Food. Hashtag summercookingfun. This is an interesting collab because it's kind of like a chain letter, or should I say chain video. He tagged several of us, and each of us, when we do a video, we will tag 3 creators. So my 3 that I tagged is down below in the description box, so check it out to see if you are tagged. So my contribution to the hashtag summer cooking fun is Dr. Pepper jelly bean sugar cookies. So what all goes into the Dr. Pepper jelly bean sugar cookies? 1 roll, 16.5 ounces of sugar cookie dough. I had this laid out a little bit to make it softer so I could mix it a lot easier. 1 egg yolk, 1/2 cup flour, and I have 2 packages of 3.5 ounces of Dr. Pepper jelly beans, which is 7 ounces. So let's begin. So take a large bowl, take your sugar cookie dough, and just easiest way is just to squeeze it out. Now I've never made this before, I just came up with the idea. And I'm excited about how this is going to work. Now, if this hashtag summer cooking fun chain works like it's supposed to, you'll be able to see these videos all summer long. It'll be a continuous thing. Go to that hashtag and see all other ones that are participating. Then dump your 1 egg yolk in the large bowl and your 1/2 cup of flour. Then take an electric mixer and beat this on medium speed until smooth. All right, so after a couple of mixes with the mixer, I found out it's going to be a lot easier just to mix with my hands. Once you get the initial mix of the egg and stuff with the mixer, I think this is the way to go. After you get that all mixed up, then dump in your jelly beans, and if you want more jelly beans, either buy more packages or you can cut them in half. I'm going to try just the 7 ounces whole and see how that turns out. And just fold that in. I did try one of these jelly beans before I put them in here, and surprisingly, I thought they tasted like Dr. Pepper. I'll finish that and I'll be back. So take a cookie sheet, line it either with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. I remembered where my baking mat was, so I'm going to try that. Take a 2 tablespoon scooper. I don't have a 2 tablespoon scooper, so I'm going to be doing a 1.5 tablespoon. Get more cookies that way. And then just put them on your mat, a couple inches apart from each other. And I'll finish that up and I'll be right back. All right, so I ended up getting about 19 cookies made out of that. There was a lot of jelly beans. I would suggest to use only 1 3.5 ounce package. I don't know how well these are going to turn out, and I have a bunch of jelly beans left in the bottom of my bowl. Don't overdo it on the jelly beans. What we'll do next is put it in the refrigerator, let them chill for 15 minutes before we bake them. Preheat your oven to 350. After the cookie balls sat in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, put them straight into the preheated 350-degree oven for 12 to 14 minutes or until golden brown. So after 14 minutes, I took them out of the oven, and some of these look good, some of them not so much. You can see that they are browning on the edges down here. We'll let them cool for 2 minutes on the pan, and then we'll put them on cooling racks to finish cooling. After they finish cooling, we'll do a taste test. So I want to thank Rich from Just Cook the Damn Food for hosting this collab, and it'll be fun for having a collection of all these summer recipes going through all of the summer. So here is my Dr. Pepper jelly bean sugar cookies. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Are these pinto beans?
No, but that's an idea. Those are Dr. Pepper jelly beans sugar cookies.
I didn't even know they had Dr. Pepper jelly beans.
They're really good.
That tastes kind of like Dr. Pepper.
Well, that's the plan.
They're not real super in your face Dr. Pepper because of the cookie in with them, but I can taste the Dr. Pepper. Interesting. I like these.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.